In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slide numbers to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation in just a few easy steps. Having slide numbers on your presentation is incredibly useful. It helps your audience follow along more easily, and it provides reference points if you need to direct them to a specific slide. So let's dive right in, and I'll show you exactly how to do this. To get started, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. Once you've got that open, take your mouse and direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the Insert tab. Click on it. This is your gateway to adding all sorts of elements to your slides, from images to shapes, and importantly for us today, headers, footers, and more. After clicking Insert, you'll want to look for the Header and Footer option. Go ahead and click on that. Doing this will open a pop-up window, which is central to our task today. In this window, you'll be given a range of options concerning what you can add to your slides to make them more informative or visually appealing. For the task at hand, you'll want to focus on adding slide numbers, so look for the relevant checkbox that says Slide Number. Once you've found the Slide Number option, you might also notice there's a section labeled Notes and Handouts. These offer additional customization avenues if you're also preparing printed materials alongside your digital presentation. But for now, our main focus is ensuring the slides themselves are numbered. Now you should see an Apply to All button on this pop-up window. By clicking Apply to All, you ensure that every single slide in your presentation, from the intro to the final slide, displays the slide number. This uniformity and consistency are key, especially in professional settings, as you don't want any attendee or viewer feeling lost during your presentation. And that's it. Just like that, you've added slide numbers to your PowerPoint presentation. These numbers will now automatically appear on all slides, making navigation for you and your audience much more manageable. Don't forget that while this sounds like a small touch, it's a significant one in terms of audience engagement and presentation clarity. Remember, enriching your slides isn't just about flashy graphics or abundant text. Often, it's these little things, like adding slide numbers, that can make a big difference in the effectiveness of your presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips and tricks to enhance your digital projects.